Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go.
Here's Wordle number 737 for June 26, 2023. I've been using the starting word raise for a number of days now. I think I'm going to try a different one, and that word is C-U-T-E-Y. And the reason I used it is because there are three vowels, a C and a T as well, and now I have three letters, which is really good. I'm glad I used this word instead of raise, because if I would have used raise, I would have only had the E. So I know the U is a second letter, and there is a T and an E. So what would the first letter be? And if I look at the available letters on the keyboard down below, the first letter is a Q. And of course, Q does go with a U. It has to. So if I put a Q here and a U, and I have to have a T and an E, you know what? I think I actually might have it. This would be amazing. I'm going to put a vowel here, an O, a T, and an E. Again, if I get this, it will be in 2 tries. I don't get it in 2 tries very often. I used the word cutie today instead of my regular starter word, which is raise. So maybe this will end up working out. Let's go. Oh, wow. I really thought I had it. But that does not work. But it gives me some more helpful hints. I know where the T does not go and where the E does not go. So let's rethink this. So the E has to be either the first or the third letter. E, U, X, X, T. I don't know of any word that would fit there. So that means E will have to be the third letter. X, U, E, X, T. What could possibly fit here? I got it. I think I have it. And this just came to mind. So I think this is it. G-U-E-S-T. Guest. I'm pretty sure this is it. Come on, let me cross my fingers. Let's go. Got it in 3. I really thought I had it in 2. I really did think quote was the word, but it ended up being guest. I was pretty lucky. I knew where the T's didn't go. I knew where the E's didn't go. And there's not that many letters that go with the U. I thought it was the Q. It wasn't. It turned out to be the G, and I got it in 3 today.
So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.